This one before
Yes.
here, this but not working.
Before installer.
No. This one not working, the fan.
Yeah.
So if I put here, working the fan.
Yes. Why?
There is problem in the inside unit, the PCB.
Oh.
But we can make a temporary permanent solution. This one I can put here. So this one, the line 1, and so this is the line 2, line capacitor for the fan. So I can put here. It become running. Tick tick. Ayo. Good this one. So if the compressor running, also running this cooling fan. So we will try. See. Now working.
Engineer.
Engineer. So yun guys, gumana siya. Dahil sira yung pan nito siguro dun sa Rayon good ha.
Yes.
So, okay naman siya eh. Check natin ang ampere. 8.0 ampere. 8.0, how many ampere here? 410. Wala namang ampere to eh, oh. Ba't hindi nilalagay ang mga ampere nito? Maximum pressure, yun lang ang nilalagay, pero yung ampere wala. Bahala na ako mag-isip. So good this one. Huh? So before this one here,
Yes, right.
but not response the PCB indoor.
Yeah.
So I put here
Contactor.
in the contactor, connected. Okay, close this one. 7.8 ampere. Okay, good.